Are your turn signals still dim and boring? Today I'm upgrading to the Lasfit 3157 T3 series amber LEDs, and we are gonna see if they're actually brighter, cleaner, and worth the swap. Coming up right now. Alright, we're gonna replace the turn signal, that is this one, here on the yellow, for the yellow part. So we're gonna replace it with this, the Lasfit T3 series light. This is a T3 LED. Okay, so let's replace it. Okay, we have to remove this clip and this one over here. Okay, so I have this tool, trim remover. The other one is somebody put it in here, it's not the correct one, but this is the one you're gonna see, this one, the liner. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so it's this one right here. So you have to twist a little bit, like this, and then it will come out. This is the one. Let's remove it first. It's a little tight. I don't want to break it. Okay, just pull hard. And this is the bulb, the original bulb. Okay, let's put the new one. This is the Lasfit LED, the T3 series. Let's put it here. Just make sure that it clicks. And before I put it inside there, let's test it out. How cool, it works. It has this shape. Make sure you put it on the right spot. Okay, before we put the other one, let's see the difference between the LED and the regular stock LED, halogen bulb. Okay, this is the LED. Woohoo, man, super bright. Look at this. Yes. Wow, amazing. Let me see if we can see it from all the way in the back here. Also, these LED bulbs will not hyperflash. They are made with a chip that it will not hyperflash. Okay, and for the other side, it's the same process. It has two clips, one here and another one here. Use this kind of tool. Okay, and this is the bulb, and you need to replace this one. Twist a little bit, like that, and then pull out. And that's it. Okay, and if the bulb is hot, use a microfiber. I'm gonna use a microfiber. Okay, I got it. Now this is the new one. It has to click, and then make sure it has a shape. I don't know if you can see the, like these tabs, they have to align with the ones on the headlight, I mean the tail light. Okay, so it has like a 3, 1, 2, 3. See it? Not sure. Yeah, right there. Boom, and then it clicks, and it's ready. Okay, as you can see, this one is not working. It means it's in the wrong spot. You have to unplug it, rotate the bulb, and put it back again, because these ones are polarized. They have a minus and positive connection, and if they are not in the correct connection, they're not gonna turn on. Okay, so let's remove it again. That's why it's very important to check before you put it in. So this one I didn't check. Okay, the bulb is here, so you have to remove it, rotate. Okay, I just remove it like this, rotate the bulb, and put it back again. And then it works. Amazing. So if the bulb doesn't turn on, unplug it, rotate the bulb, and put it back, and it's gonna work. Look at this. Both of them LEDs. Wow, super bright. Amazing. right, and that's how it looks with the turn signals. They are bright and amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye.